Hey creators! Welcome to day 22 of the AI Plus SEO Mastery Challenge. Today's mission, boost your website speed using AI optimization tools. Here's your 3-step power play. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to analyze core web vitals and suggest fixes. Step 2. Run your site through 10 Web Booster or NitroPack for AI-based speed improvements. Step 3. Apply lazy loading, image compression, and script deferral. Automatically, website speed is a direct SEO ranking factor and critical for user experience. Bonus tip. Use Page Speed Insights plus ChatGPT to interpret results and auto-generate a speed improvement checklist. Tomorrow is day 23. Set up an AI-powered SEO dashboard to analyze performance in real time.